understanding your trade lines and credit ratings on your credit report. In Canada, when people like lenders, employers, or landlords are looking at your credit report, they will see your trade lines and their ratings. This gives them a snapshot of how trustworthy and reliable you are by showing them how likely you are to pay back what you owe. The different trade lines on your credit report can be R, I, or O. R stands for revolving. This is the most common type of trade line. An example of this is a credit card, where you can use it and pay it regularly. I is for installment. An example of this can be a loan, where you make regular scheduled payments, whether that's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and the balance goes down each time you pay. You cannot reborrow from the loan. O is for open. This is where you're being provided a service for which you regularly pay for, like a gym membership or a cell phone contract. Now that you know what trade lines are, let's talk about credit ratings. Attached to each trade line is a specific number between 1 and 9, and that number is your credit rating. Your credit rating shows your payment behavior. Let's break down what that means. If the trade line you have is a 1, it means you're paying your creditor as agreed. This can mean making minimum payments, higher than minimum, or paying in full. If it's a 2, it means you're late or 1 payment past due. If it's a 3, it means you're 2 payments past due. 4 means you're 3 payments past due, and 5 means you're 4 payments past due. The rest of the numbers mean more than late payments. 7 means you've restructured your debts. 8 means a repossession of an asset, like a car. And 9 means that your debt is in collections, or you've been bankrupt on it, or it's a bad debt. And 6, well, for some unknown reason, there is no 6. To give you some perspective, 1 is the best rating you can have, and 9 is the worst. Be careful, though, that you don't get caught in the trap of maintaining a 1 rating by only making minimum payments, because this means your payments are basically covering interest only. And both the trade lines and credit ratings won't stay on your credit report forever. It usually only stays on for about 6 to 7 years, starting from the date of last activity, and how long it stays depends on the province you live in, along with some other factors too. So that's the basics on trade lines and credit ratings. For more information on the cost of making minimum payments or your credit score, please see our other videos by visiting mymoneycoach.ca. If you have questions about your credit rating, or you'd like to book a free and confidential appointment with one of our credit counselors, please give us a call at 1-888-527-8999 or visit us at nomordebts.org. We're here to help.